Malingaw dili basta-basta. Sa raffle ma-excite ug makulbaan ka sa pagkahakon grand prize na. Yes, ayo ko karon tungod kay faculty year-end party namo. Gadala po ta og gift karon. Kay in the middle part of the program na atay exchange gift. Ug nindot kayo mi og attire karon kay Coachella man daw ni. Pero ambot kung kining akong gisuot na tunong ba, bahala na ni.
Sir!
Shout out!
Shout out!
Hi! Ano man iba tamong gifts, ma'am? Lista gid ko nimo. Ah, grabe, Ma'am Naomi. Basta-basta. Anyway, so bani ko ninyo mga parts sa mong ganap karon. This is Philippine Advent College Faculty Year-End Party. Ah! Dosta ganay. Ah, yan dosta. Kini gyud ang pinaka-highlight sa tanan nga mga prizes. The all-new Honda RSX. Dili pud gan siya ang secondary major prizes. Dagko po kayong madawatan, sana all na lang. Man gyud sa among processional march gisunod na namo ang dinner. Ato sa silang bisitahon kada table before ta mo kaon. Taro nga gungit. Kaon lang, it will. I have score. Grabe oh. Hey! Banggit sa mong dinner, first raffle draw, pala nakadawat na rin kuani. Wa na gitay pag-asa sa grand raffle draw.
Gabong palakpak sa sponsor, Ma'am Margie Macias. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's start! Congratulations! From Switzerland, failure everyone sa kanila. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Gifts continue to move left. Merry Christmas.
Unwrap. Look.
Ayan ang my day. And rules. Alright, so anyways,
Water kettle.
because for the Coachella Queen 2025, congratulations from Gladys Bialago. And for the Coachella King 2025, congratulations to Francisco Ironilla. Congratulations. Salihan na lang tayo. And for the rest, sunod 2A. Congratulations, Ma'am Jason Villarosa. For the major prize, Ma'am Naomi Iguana. Picture. Sir JB Torre Franca. Walang medyo dako-dako na ni ba? Dako-dako na ni Prisyo. Pastor Jerry Dalagan. Condora. Congratulations, General Gawinpa. Mayo. Kani mga lagyo, motor inyo ha. Congratulations! Ma'am Arlene Otom! Congratulations to Ma'am Arlene Otom! Congratulations, Carl Ray Briel! Katulo yan ko, katulo. Problema na mong karga na.
It's not enough. You really deserve more. And from the bottom of my heart and from my family, you are the pillars of your school. Ikaw lang mga administrators, pero wala mo mga teachers, mga staff, the school is not. Daghan kayong salamat. I know you are asking sometimes too much, Bilar, overtime, but hopefully this will give you a little peace for this Christmas. And we promise you the grand prize next year is even bigger.
As you can see here in front, we have this RSX brand new Honda motorcycle where it is really coming from the administrators of Philippine Advent College.
Oh my God!
June